Hi everyone! Today I would like to share how I made this crisscross braid bracelet. For this bracelet, I used 2 pieces of yarn of 100 centimeters or 3 feet 4 inches. You might want to use a little longer threads if you have never tried this before. Put the 2 threads together and fold them in half. Close to the folded part, you make 1 overhand knot to make the first loop. You should be able to pass your little finger in the loop or even a little bigger. Tighten that knot firmly. Divide the 4 strings into each color. You may want to have the dominant color on the right side. Here, I chose yellow to be the dominant color. Attach the loop firmly onto the working surface. Now take 1 string each from both sides. Place them in the center. Here we start. Take the left blue string, cross it over the center 2 strings. Then take the right yellow string and cross it over the 2 center strings. Now take the 2 center strings and flip them over towards the initial loop. Now take the right blue string and place towards the left. Then take the yellow left string and cross it over that blue string. Take the end of that yellow string and pass it through the space you just created. In other words, you just made a single tie. Slowly pull those strings so that it ties the center 2 strings. Make sure you pull gently. Now flip back the 2 center strings. You just made 1 knot. Now let's do it again. Start with the left blue, cross it over. Then the right yellow, cross it over. Then flip the center 2 strings towards the initial loop. Then right blue first, then left yellow. Pass the end of the yellow inside the space. Pull them gently at the same time. Flip the 2 center strings back and you can see you just made the second knot. Here's how you remember. First the left, then right. Make sure the cross part goes closer to the knotted part. Then flip over the center 2 strings. After that, you do right, then left, and then pass the left string through that space. Adjust the knot after you flip back the 2 strings. Repeat these steps until the entire length reaches approximately 14 centimeters or 5.5 inches. If you want to make with the regular embroidery threads, you may want to use 2 strings each. That means for here, this one, I used 220 centimeters or 4 feet orange strings, and then another 2 purple strings with the same length. This is how it looks. In order to finish the bracelet, make 1 overhand knot at the end of the bracelet you made. You can see here that in order to make this a last overhand knot, I struggled a little bit because the strings were getting short. And as I said, I used 100 centimeters or 3 feet 4 inches for both strings. So you may want to cut the strings a little longer, like 110 centimeters, or that means 3 feet 8 inches. Now remove the bracelet from the working surface. Cut the 2 strings that you have been using to knot. Now measure about 10 centimeters or 4 inches on the remaining 2 strings and make another overhand knot. If you like, you may also make 2 overhand knots on each end of the strings. Cut the strings from about 1 inch or 2.5 centimeters from that overhand knot. Now here is how you make it adjustable. Pass the tails inside the initial loop. Pull it all the way and then pass the end inside the bracelet. Hold that end and then keep pulling the bracelet through the initial loop. You just made that sliding knot. You just finished making a bracelet. Now you can try it on. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you soon.